What's going on, guys? Wallace here, and another build that just turned out incredible. This particular build is the F131 one of one. Our one of one program allows you to customize your system essentially to your liking, to any extreme that you would like. So in this case, there's a very unique paint job with a really cool quote here for all the anime fans out there. And there's also some writing here, as you can see, throughout the whole system. We have this really cool flame effect that we custom laser cut, and we added an LED light box behind the system itself, or behind the panel itself. Of course, the F131 has our unique HyperX cooling system, which essentially it's a really unique distribution block, feeding cool water to the CPU and the GPU at the same time. The water is pressure regulated, so it's getting the right amount of pressure. System is very quiet because the whole thing is intelligently controlled through PWM, and we have proper hooks in the BIOS to make sure that the pump and fans and everything is being monitored. The pump is also integrated into the HyperX block itself, and powered by a RTX 2080 Ti. We have a WD black drive right there. We have a Samsung 970 Pro. Intel i9 9900KS is for the CPU. Of course, we have some HyperX Predator RAM as well, RGB RAM. But overall, the system just looks, in my opinion, very unique and beautiful. Really cool effect. Hope you guys like this one. Catch you on the next one.